we are back with our English 1 classes. Today our topic is article writing. What is article writing? It is a piece of writing which describes an experience, event, person or place. It can be formal or informal. It can describe an event also in a proper manner. It compares and contrasts, it provides information and suggestions. So here there are few things, few elements which are to be kept in mind before writing an article. So here we'll start. The first important thing which you should keep in mind is an eye-catching title. An eye-catching title. So the first important element which you should keep in mind is an eye-catching title. Second of all is introduction, which defines the topic to be covered and keeps the reader's interest. So what is the second one? It is an introduction. The third one is the main body of 5 to or 4-5 paragraphs. Then the last one is the conclusion. So the third one will be your main body, and it contains 2, 3, 4, 5 para. It can be like that. And the last one is the conclusion, and it should also be recommendations or comment or the final opinion you give. So students, if suppose your model example for this article writing, the topic may be secularism versus religion in politics. So I give you the outlines. Suppose I give you the meaning of secularism. Meaning. What is the meaning of secularism? And you will write secularism implies equal respect for all religions in the same measure. So this way you are going to describe your various topics which you will get in the question. So here it can be the next topic or the next point will be secularism as defined in the Constitution of India. Your third point may be India, a land of diversity, and you are supposed to expand these various points in your own language, and you will write this article. Here I said that main body. In this 2 or 3, 4, 5 paragraphs you are supposed to write, and these paragraphs should be very short, just 4 or 5 lines each. It should not be elaborated or more than 300 words. So students, please do some topics from your total English book in your English copy for your practice. Thank you and have a nice day.